In this video, I'll talk about acid oxides. Acid, acid oxides, also called non-metallic oxides. It's also known as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride means without water. Acid oxides are chemical combination of oxygen and non-metals, or acid oxides made from oxygen and non-metals. Mathematically, non-metal reacts with oxygen to form acid oxides. For example, carbon is non-metal, burns oxygen. It produces carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. Nitrogen is non-metal, reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen pentoxide. This nitrogen pentoxide is an acidic oxide. Phosphorus is non-metal, burns oxygen. Finally, it produces phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide is an acidic oxide. All acidic oxides are not non-metallic oxides. One more, all acidic oxides are not non-metallic oxides. For example, chromium oxides, manganese pentoxides, manganese heptaoxides, vanadium pentoxides are acid oxides, but not non-metallic oxides. They are metallic oxides. All non-metal oxides are not acid oxides. All non-metallic oxides are not acid oxide. For example, water, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide are non-metal oxides, but not acidic oxides. They don't show acidic property. There are acidic oxides that don't react directly with water. For example, silicon dioxide, which is an acidic oxide, commonly known as sand. Sand is insoluble in water and don't form acid, but it neutralizes basic oxides. For example, silicon dioxide reacts with sodium oxide to form sodium silicate. Therefore, silicon dioxide can neutralize basic oxide and form salt. The acid form of silicon dioxide formed by reacting its salt with an acid. For example, sodium silicate react with hydrochloric acid. Finally, we have salicylic acid plus sodium chloride. This one is salicylic acid. Chemical properties of acid oxides. The first chemical properties of acid oxide is acid oxide reacts with water. Finally, it produces acids. For example, carbon dioxide is an acid oxide. It reacts with water. Finally, it produces carbonic acid, H2CO3, known as carbonic acid. The second property, acid oxide reacts with basic oxide to form salt. For example, silicon trioxide is an acid oxide. Sodium oxide is a basic oxide. They react together. Finally, they form sodium sulfate, which is a salt. The last property, acid oxide reacts with base. Finally, it produces salt plus water. For example, nitrogen pentoxide, reacts with base, namely sodium hydroxide. It produces sodium nitrate plus water. This reaction, we call it neutralization reaction. Subscribe the channel, ring the notification bell, share, comment, and like the video. I'll come back with another video. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.